Hello everyone, friends. Belor here. Today I'll show what to do if your Android charges slowly. Usually slow charging is a problem with the charger, not the phone itself. Try changing the cable, power adapter, or both to ensure there's no issue with your charging equipment. Next, check your charging port with a flashlight. Shine it in and look for any visible debris there. There might also be damage you can't see with your eyes, but it still affects charging speed. Also, check your phone settings for the fast charging feature. Go to settings and search for fast charging, or in English, fast charging. It's not on all phones. You can search for charging or battery charging. Here's battery. Yes, battery. You can also look here and check this section. Here's optimized charging, which you can enable or disable. This was Belor. Goodbye, everyone.